news and views change every day, which is an interesting fact about our time. This is also true in the world of xrp+ripple. Would you believe me if I told you that Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency companies in the world, is about to make every xrp+ripple owner a millionaire? Even Forbes couldn't miss this story, even though it sounds like a fairy tale. What is really going on? Let's do it one step at a time. You really can't miss that movie. Nota bene. The fact that John Deaton is now fighting with Coinbase in court against the SEC is a big change in the ongoing story of xrp+ripple. Deaton is a well-known supporter of XRP and a strong critic of the SEC's regulatory actions. His support for Coinbase could possibly tip the balance in favor of xrp+ripple in its own legal battle with the SEC. As an amicus brief in support of Coinbase's motion for an interlocutory appeal, Deaton not only speaks for Coinbase but also for the thousands of Coinbase customers whose lives could be changed by the result of the case. Everyone involved, including end users and investors, needs to have a say in regulatory processes that could have big effects on the crypto industry. His actions show how important this is. Concerns of many people in the crypto community are very similar to Deaton's about the SEC's regulatory approach, especially how it doesn't always classify cryptocurrency correctly. His case against the SEC's view that only tokens with an environment should be considered securities shows how complicated and nuanced regulatory interpretation can be in the crypto world, which is changing so quickly. Further, Deaton's claim that the SEC's actions are influenced by politics and lack clarity makes the need for clear and logical rules to encourage growth and innovation in the crypto sector even stronger. Not only does his support for Coinbase's request for legal clarity help the exchange, it also fits with the larger goal of giving crypto companies clear rules to follow. In the context of xrp+ripple, Deaton's participation in Coinbase's legal battle is very important. Because he supports XRP and has pushed for clear rules in the crypto space in the past, his support for Coinbase could indirectly help xrp+ripple's case against the SEC's claims of stock violations. There have been rumors going around that Coinbase might think about taking xrp+ripple off its exchange as a way to improve its legal situation in the case against the SEC. With Deaton's help, however, Coinbase's goals may become more in line with those of xrp+ripple. This could lead to a joint effort to fight the SEC's regulatory abuse. Coinbase, a big name in the crypto industry, is looking for legal guidance through channels backed by Deaton, a supporter of XRP. This sends a hugely positive message to the XRP community and the crypto market as a whole. It shows a united front against unclear regulations and a promise to protect the decentralization and innovation principles that cryptocurrency like xrp+ripple are based on. As the court case between Coinbase and the SEC plays out, the crypto world is also paying close attention to another high-stakes case, the SEC vs. Ripple. But what's the latest news in this case that everyone is watching? There are rumors going around that an answer may be on the way soon, which leads to hopes of huge growth in the future. Is this the time we've all been waiting for? Stay with us as we talk about the newest changes and what they mean for the future of Ripple and all of crypto. Don't miss this. Recent events in the ongoing legal fight between Ripple and the SEC have investors on edge as they wait for the next move in this very important case. All eyes are now on the SEC's upcoming opposition briefing to Ripple's move to strike expert testimony. Saturday didn't bring any big news. By Monday, April 29th, the SEC was supposed to file its answer, and Ripple was supposed to do the same 3 days later. You can feel the excitement. At the heart of the motion is a plan to discredit some expert evidence about the company's finances and actions after a complaint. This move is important because if this statement is thrown out, it could make it harder for the SEC to get an injunction against Ripple and charge them with a huge $2 billion fine. By questioning the accuracy of these materials, Ripple hopes to weaken the SEC's case and lessen the harshness of any possible consequences. The real game changer, though, will be the SEC's reply brief, which is due by May 6th. This answer will probably change the way the case goes because it shows what the officials are saying in response and could tip the scales in favor of one side or the other. The SEC's response is very important for investors because it could be the last word before the courts decide on the suggested penalty and injunction. At the heart of SEC's rules, the SEC first filed a lawsuit in December 2020. This disagreement sets the stage for a major showdown between Ripple and the SEC, with both sides trying to get the courts to rule in their favor. The SEC is trying to get an injunction to stop Ripple from selling XRP to institutional buyers. This is important because it could have huge effects on the future of cryptocurrencies and how the markets work. As the court case between Ripple and the SEC goes on, important arguments and decisions are on the horizon. Investors are interested in yet another interesting event. Forbes has brought attention to XRP. Now, everyone knows that Forbes is a magazine about money and success, and the fact that they are now interested in XRP is shocking the crypto community. What does Forbes really say about XRP, though, and what does this mean for the future of the cryptocurrency? Come with us as we look into Forbes' ideas and try to figure out how they might affect the future of XRP. Don't miss this interesting study. Forbes just released an interesting article about zombie blockchains, which caused a lot of buzz in the crypto world. The article talked about 20 cryptocurrencies, including Ripple's XRP, that have sky-high market values but don't have much use in real life. Many people are now wondering if these investments, which seemed like good ideas at first, are really worth it. Because Forbes is known for being honest, it didn't hesitate to call out Ripple Labs, the thing that makes XRP and a big player in the world of crypto zombies. According to Forbes, even though XRP trades a huge $2 billion every day, its main purpose is still speculation and it has few real-world uses. The report from Forbes may have revealed the most disturbing fact: there are a huge number of these zombie blockchains worth more than $1 billion, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. At least 20 of these projects have been called functional zombies, and they are worth a total of $116 billion on the market. The crypto world seems to be full of dead companies that don't offer anything of value above their market capitalization. What exactly does a zombie blockchain look like? This term refers to crypto projects that make slow progress in the environment without making big steps toward user adoption or real-world use. Ripple's XRP stands out as one of these. It was once hailed as a game changer for cross-border payments, now trying hard to get rid of its image for being risky. Forbes has a clear opinion on these coins. That may seem harsh, especially for projects like XRP that had big hopes in the past, but the truth is very clear. Some cryptocurrencies have a hard time making a case for themselves beyond dealing for speculation, while others do very well thanks to real use and community support. Forbes puts a light on the idea of zombie blockchains. Since Ripple's XRP is one of them, it's only normal to wonder how Ripple experts feel about this news. Since such a big player in the crypto world is being watched, the predictions made by Ripple experts are more important than ever. They seem to be getting even more optimistic. Is this something to worry about? Come with us as we look into the thoughts and opinions of XRP Ripple experts to find out what the future holds for XRP in this tough environment. Do not miss this important study. You won't want to miss this trip. Traders are feeling more optimistic now that the price of XRP has recently gone up again. One bold prediction calls for a big jump to $1.13. Could turn a small $4,000 investment into a huge $105,000 payout. Even though there was support at the 50-day exponential moving average and a subsequent pullback, one trader is still not giving up. XRP has been steadily going up since June 2023, which shows how strong it is. In fact, the recent rise in the price of XRP, which happened at the same time as Bitcoin's halving event on April 20th, has raised chances of a big rally like the ones seen at the heights of the last bull run in November 2021. It is expected that the price of XRP will rise by 106%, reaching a level that hasn't been seen in a long time, $1.103. Even though the idea of turning $4,000 into $105,000 might sound appealing, it's important to be aware of the risks, especially when using leverage in trades. It's a high-stakes game where ambition and caution must go hand in hand, because amplifying wins also amplifies losses. Experts still have different opinions on the future. Some are more optimistic, while others are more careful. Some analysts, like Blockbull, think the price could go up to $1.06, falling back to $0.66. Around $0.74 for large investors, or whales are carefully moving around in the market, taking advantage of price changes to build up large positions. This makes things even more complicated. New data shows that whales acted quickly when XRP fell below $0.53, over 31 million XRP in just 1 week, a move worth a total of $16 million. Keeping XRP above important support levels like $0.53. Very important for keeping the bullish trend going. It's possible that a strong break above $0.55 start a larger